So now you're going to show us a little bit about the quads, right? So why is the quads important? What do they do?
Oh man, the quad is like the powerhouse of the leg, man. Like that's why your power come from. Like you're doing a squat, or you going upstairs, or you like picking something up, bending down, picking something up. They help you with everything, man. Like they like the power horse.
Yeah.
On the leg.
Yeah.
So
you want to show us?
I did legs yesterday, but I'll give you a demonstration today.
There you go. You're gonna do extra for us.
Oh man, so here. So the reason the quad, you go all the way down, all the way up. So no half repping.
Yeah. So I equate like the quads to like your reserves, because you got to want to build your reserves big and strong, because they're going to support all your activities. And in case you need to get things done, it's great to have reserves available so that you can build from there. So a lot of times in your household and your business, it may not be where everything's ideal financially, but if you got reserves, when unexpected things happen, you can handle that. And also reserves allow you to take more chances, because you got reserves, you can do more stuff and you can expand. So that's how we equate the quads to like building big and strong reserves, big, strong, powerful reserves in your household and business.
And that's it. That's why they're one of the biggest muscles on your body. So
absolutely,
it match up perfect, man.